salivary secretion in 1 minute. Please note that this is a previous year topic. So first let's see the function of saliva. First function is digestion. For carbohydrate, it has amylase and ptyalin. For fats, it has lingual lipases. But for proteins, it do not have any enzyme. So there is no protein digestion. Now, second function is what? Lubrication. Third function is what? Protection. Because it has what? Immunoglobulin A, it has lactoferrin, and it has lysozymes. Now we will see the secretion proper. So this part is what? This is acini. Okay, and this part is what? This is the ductal cells. These are the ductal cells. Okay, so phase 1 secretion occur in what? Acinus. Acinus cell will secrete the phase 1 and it will be rich in sodium and chloride. The saliva will be rich in sodium and chloride and it will be isotonic in nature. Okay, now in phase 2 the actual modification is taking place in the ductal cells. What they will do? It will reabsorb all the sodium and chloride ions and in turn they will secrete K plus and HCO3 minus ions into the saliva. Okay, so final saliva looks like what? Hypotonic. So what is the final saliva? It is hypotonic. Okay, and rich in what? Potassium ions and poor in what? Sodium ions. Clear up to this? Now what happens in primary hyperaldosteronism? Actually aldosterone not only act on kidneys but it also act on ducts. Okay, ducts. So for that it will reabsorb all the sodium. That's why the sodium will decrease in the saliva. It will secrete out potassium. That's why it will increase in the saliva. Now final words about sympathetic and parasympathetic stimulation. For this I will give you an example. For example, you have seen a ghost. What is your primary concern there? You will keep salivating or you will run from that place. So you know that your sympathetic stimulation is activated at the time of stress. Stress में क्या होता है? मुंह सूखा पड़ जाता है. Your mouth dries. So in this case, what will happen? The saliva production will decrease and there will be thick and viscous saliva. Okay. For example, now you have seen your favorite food. What will happen? Your parasympathetic stimulation comes into play. You will have copious saliva, rich in enzyme and watery and thin. Now finally, this question is for you. Comment down your answers.